Welcome all students. Here I am going to teach you the option market from the international finance subject. The option it is for the to avoid the risk involved in the foreign exchange market regarding the currencies, the appreciation and depreciation of currency and have an impact on the import and export of the goods. For that, it is a contract between the two parties for the future transactions of assets at a reference price. The buyer of this option has a gain or have a right but not obligations to engage in that transaction. That means the buyer of that options can be exercise the options, but if it is not required for him, he can let it be go. While the seller of this option has an obligation to fulfill the transaction. There are two types of options: call options and put options. Call options, it is options which gives the right to buy the underlying assets at a strike price. That means the importer of the goods who has a fear regarding the appreciation of the foreign currency in which he is making a payment in the future time period, he can exercise the call options or buy a call options to a deal in at a strike price. Strike price is actually predetermined price for the options. Second is a put options. The put options is the option is gives the right to the sell the underlying asset at a strike price. It is for the exporters who have fears about the depreciation of the foreign currency which he is going to receive in the future time period. There are some terminology. Call options, that is a right but not obligation to the buy for the importers. Put options, it is a right but not obligation to sell for the exporter. Option price, it is an open market price in which the importer or exporter can exercise if they don't want to go for a option market. Expiration date, the day on which an option is no longer valid. That means it is a maturity period or expiry period or expiry date at which the option will be a complete or mature. The strike price, it is a reference price or predetermined price for the option that at which the exporter or importer will make their deal. The long position, the buyer of the option always assume the long position because they require more time to make their payment, and the short position seller always assumes that short positions for the early to receive early payment from the importers. Both the call and put options, buyers buying the rights, that is they are transferring the risk. That means what are the risks involved in the foreign exchange market regarding the appreciation or depreciation of the foreign currency. This risk can be avoided by these call and put options. For transferring this risk to the seller, buyer have to compensate by paying a option premium. That means by entering in the or for entering in the option market or option contract, they have to make a payment of the premium. Option premium also known as the price or cost of the option. There are two types of styles: European options and American options. European options may only be exercised at the maturity period, but American options that may be exercised on a trading day or before expiry date. Factors influencing option pricing: time of expiration. The greater will be time for the expiration, there will be higher value for the options. Volatility, higher the volatility, that means if there is a more flexibility in the option contract, there will be higher value for the options. Risk-free rate of interest. The interest rate goes, the cost gain in value while puts a loss value. That means rate of free interest, risk-free rate of interest also have impact on option. There is one of the case study we will see here, that this will help us to know the concept of a call option and put options. An Indian importer bought a machinery from Europe country for 1 lakh euro, the payment is to be made for after 3 months. The spot rate is rupees 50 for 1 euro, and he buys the call options because importer has a fear for the appreciation of a foreign currency. The features of the call option is a strike price rupees 50.05, maturity period is 3 months, and premium is 3%. First we will calculate the premium. 1 lakh euro, for 1 lakh euro 3%, as per the 3% there is a 3000 euro. 3000 euro we have to convert in the rupees by using the spot rate rupees 50 at a for 1 euro, and the rupees will be a 1,50,000. The first possibility is given: euro appreciate as per the assumption of the Indian importer at the end of the 3 months. The exchange rate after 3 months is rupees 55 against 1 euro. In this case, importer will be exercise the option. That means he will go for the options because the strike price, that is a rupees 50.05, is a more less. It is very less than the exchange rate at the end of the 3 months. And by using these call options, he has to make a payment at a strike price that will be a rupees 50 lakhs 5,000. As already he has paid the premium of rupees 1,50,000, the total amount he is going to he have to pay, that is rupees 51,55,000. And for 51,55,000, the rate which will be applicable to him after 3 months, that is rupees 51.55 for 1 euro, which is very less than the rupees 55 for 1 euro after a period of 3 months. Spot rate after the end of the period of 3 months. The second possibility, if the euro depreciate and the spot rate after 3 months is rupees 45, this price is the rate is very, as compared to strike price, it is a very actually profitable to the importer for to go for a open market. In this situation, the importer will not exercise the option, but he will purchase euro in open market. That means at rupees 45 for 1 euro, and he has to make a payment 45 lakhs by using this exchange rate. And as he already paid premium, the total amount he has to pay by using open market rupees 46,50,000, and rate will be applicable to him rupees 56.50 for 1 euro, which is very less as compared to strike price. That means if the, as per the assumption of the importer, if the foreign currency is appreciating, in that case he has to go for a option market by using a strike price. And if there is a, as per the assumption, there is a as per the assumptions, they has to use option market. But if instead of this, if there is a depreciation of the foreign currency, in this case he has to go for a open market. The second case study is an Indian exporter has exported goods to USA, is to be received US dollar 1 lakh on 31st March. The rate for this for 31st March, spot rate 45.60, and if he is going to purchase the put options, he has to make a payment of premium at a 3% on 31st March, and the rate for the 31st March will be a 44.50 for a US dollar. First we will calculate the premium, that is 3,000 as per the 3%, 3,000 US dollar, that will be we convert at a spot rate 45.50, and we will get the amount rupees 1,36,500. Possibility 1, as per the assumptions, US dollar depreciate at the on 31st March, that is amount the rate is 41.50 rupees for 1 US dollar. In that case, exporter will exercise the put options, and he will sell his US dollar at rupees 44.50 against 1 US dollar, and he will receive, exporter will receive rupees 44,50,000. But the premium is already paid by him. That means he has to deduct this amount from the receive amount. That is the total amount he will receive rupees 43,13,500. The effective tax range will be him 43.135. This is very good as compared to the actual spot rate on 31st March. Second possibility, instead of depreciation, if the US dollar will appreciate and it is at rupees 48.50 US dollar on 31st March, in this case it will be beneficial to the exporter to go for a open market instead of option, because he is receiving more amount as compared to the strike price. As per the 48.50 exchange rate, he will receive the 48,50,000 rupees, and total net receipt will be by deducting the premium he has already paid 36,500. The amount he will receive rupees 47,13,500, and the effective rate will be for him rupees 47.135 for a US dollar, which is more beneficial to him as compared to the option market. That means for the exporter, if the foreign currency is appreciating, in that case he has to go for a open market. If the foreign currency is depreciating, in that case only he has to purchase or he has to go for exercise the put options. I hope the all concept you will be understand by you. If any query, just contact to me. Thank you.